Hello, friends. We're excited to announce that on Thursday evening, June 17th at 6:30 p.m. in our sanctuary, we will be hosting an emergency mental health response town hall with District 16 Assemblywoman Rebecca Bauer-Cahan. In the year following the killing of George Floyd, there has been a powerful national outcry for substantial racial and justice reform. There have been numerous instances in which police have fielded 911 calls and have been faced with people experiencing mental health crises, which the police are simply not adequately trained to handle. As a result, tragedies have occurred. Instead of receiving appropriate mental health support in a number of high-profile cases, people experiencing these mental health crises have been harmed. Assemblywoman Rebecca Bauer-Cahan sponsored a bill, AB 988, which will transform the way the state responds to mental health emergencies. This initiative will efficiently implement in California the new nationwide 988 Suicide Prevention and Mental Health Crisis Hotline created last year by the FCC and Congress. The new system will provide a much-needed alternative to 911 and enable the deployment of qualified mental health professionals to respond to mental health crises in coordination with public safety officials when needed. Assemblywoman Bauer-Cahan is quoted as saying that this bill will transform mental health emergency response and deliver appropriate care that addresses systemic inequalities. Mental health and suicide crises are primarily seen as safety threats rather than the mental health emergencies they are. The data shows that approximately 25% of all individuals killed in police-involved shootings since 2015 had a known mental illness. The current status quo is no longer acceptable." End quote. Beth Chaim is proud to co-sponsor and host this important event along with the Assemblywoman's Office and the Contra Costa Interfaith Council. It will be an important informational program about this new vital legislation. This in-person program will comply with all state and local health ordinances, so please bring a mask. We will have limited space in our sanctuary, so please RSVP as soon as possible. The RSVP link is in this week's happenings. Because we will also be streaming this important event around the state, you may also opt to attend virtually. There will be an opportunity to ask questions about the bill both in person as well as from the chat online. We are honored to have such a timely, essential program about a groundbreaking piece of legislation in our synagogue home. You will be able to learn more about this potentially life-saving initiative and how, if you choose to do so, you can support this important legislation as a form of tikkun olam, working to heal and transform our world. Take care, stay safe, and be well. Shalom uvracha, peace and blessings.